Question C says we should look for 45% of 2,000 grams. So 45% of 2,000 grams can be written as 45 divided by 100 times 2,000 grams over 1. So when you simplify this, it's said to be 45 times 2,000 grams divided by 100. When you divide both the numerator and denominator by 100, these two zeros will cancel these two zeros, leaving us with 45 times 20 grams. And this is equal to 45 times 20 grams can be written as 450 times 2. And 450 times 2 is said to be 900. So this is equal to 900 grams. So what that means is that 45% of 2,000 grams is said to be 900 grams. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next exercise on percentages.